Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed last week. You had corn and beans trading lower while wheat ended up slightly higher on the week. They're doing the exact same thing this morning as of the break. Corn and beans are a little lower on the morning, wheat slightly higher. Moving forward this week, some things to keep your eye on. We're a week away actually from the latest quarterly stocks report, so we'll have some estimates for you later in that. We'll get some private analyst estimates out later this week, as well as trade expectations. So we'll keep you up to date on that. One of the things to keep your eye on is wheat market. Wheat actually remains a little supportive right now due to the fact that China came out and said they might need to import 1 million more metric tons of wheat due to poor growing conditions, and then also there's some freeze concerns. I've seen some pictures floating around of some freeze damage over in Brazil. So wheat remains a little supported. Corn and soybeans not so much, just due to harvest pressure, lack of frost threat right now. So we're seeing corn and beans trade lower. Those factors are likely the reason that we saw them lower on the week last week, while wheat remains supported. So Informa came out with their latest 2014 planted acreage estimates. Essentially, they took 5 million off of corn and added it over to soybeans. So that's not a whole lot of surprise there based on current price levels. Makes more sense to plant soybeans than it does corn right now at the price levels, and they reflected that in their estimates on Friday afternoon. So we got crop progress out later this afternoon. Some are expecting good to excellent ratings to increase due to the rains we saw. So we'll keep our eye on that, have those updates for you tomorrow morning. Other than that, not a whole lot of news to report. Lower to start the day here on corn and soybeans, slightly higher on wheat. So that's all we've got for today. Have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.